friends, welcome back. This is Jan and welcome to your channel Jan as Mommy. In this video we are going to see about wet grinder, a complete review and how it works, and also I'm going to show you how to prepare idli dosa batter with this wet grinder. So for those who don't know about idlis, I will give a short description about idli. Idli is a popular Indian dish and it is very popular in South India. In most of the South Indian homes will have idli as their breakfast, made out with rice and black dal, also called urud dal. Rice and dals are soaked and grinded to form a batter, and very importantly the batter should be fermented overnight or at least 6 to 8 hours. The fermentation process will break down the starch present in the batter and make it very easily digestible and metabolized by the body. Idlis are meant to be soft and fluffier. The batter grinder with wet grinders will surely give you soft and fluffier idlis. So in this video, we are going to see complete unboxing and review about this Ultra Perfect Plus wet grinder. Let's get started. This is how I have received the package, and I'm really happy about the package, and I have got it from Amazon. It is marked with the label heavy lift with care. I'm going to sanitize the package completely. I'm going to open after a couple of days. The price of the product, the comparisons are all in the end of the video, so stay tuned and let's unbox the wet grinder. This wet grinder is from the brand Ultra, and Ultra brand is the best for wet grinders and we all know that, and the model is Perfect Plus. Let's see what are all the items we have inside the package. The product is nicely packed with thermocols. So first I have taken the batter cleaner. Next is the lid for the drum, and a drum which is quite easy to carry. This model is a tabletop one. And inside the drum there are grinding stones. The grinding stones are conical in shape, and then there is a manual which has all the details about the product. And last but not least is the motor. It is quite easy to carry, not too heavy. And now let's see the materials of all the items. There is a lid and it is made of good plastic, and the drum is made of food grade stainless steel. And you can close the drum with this lid. And we have conical grinding stones which are unique in Ultra brand, and the manual. Let's see the motor. The motor is covered with a shell which is made of ABS material. There is an arm with knob in it. The knob is to open and close the arm. It is quite big and it is easy to lock and unlock. And the motor which is used here is 150 watts. And a batter cleaner is given. Let's see how to use it. Now let's see how to place the drum and how to use this wet grinder. Pull the arm upwards, and then we are going to place the stainless steel drum which has stone in the bottom. It is so simple to place it. Remove the polythene cover which is come along. As I said, the drum is made out of good stainless steel material. The body of the wet grinder is so sleek and it will not occupy much space in your kitchen countertop. The arm is easily placeable and it is used to lock the drum with the body of the wet grinder. Place the multi-utility drum and then place the conical stones. These stones are unique for Ultra brand. For other brands you could see round shaped stones, but here they have given conical stones. And it was said that it will not create much heat. Place just like this and we are going to lock it using the lock given in the arm of the body. You should hear the sound to lock the stones. Rotate the knob gently to lock the arm. The lid is given to cover the drum to avoid accumulation of dust to the food while grinding. Looks like the lid is made of good plastic, so there will be less chance of breakage. Then there is a manual with all the details mentioned here. It has all do's and don'ts. Also they have given recommended measures and grinding time. And next is the batter cleaner, which is said to clean the batter from the conical stones. It needs to be placed over the drum and it is designed to hold the conical stones. And we have to rotate these conical stones so that batter will be easily cleaned out of the stones and it will be easily collected in the drum. I'm going to use it for the first time. I began with cleaning completely. It is always recommended to clean any appliances if you're going to use it for the first time. Cleaned the drum, the grinding stones and the batter cleaner as well. Now I'm going to show you a demo on how to prepare idli dosa batter using this Ultra Perfect Plus wet grinder. The drum capacity is 2 liters. The wire cord needs to be plugged in a 3-pin plug point. Let's start with grinding. I have soaked my rice and dal, taken 4:1 ratio. As I said, the recommended measures and grinding time is given in the manual. Here I have taken 4 cups of rice and 1 cup of urad dal. First I started with grinding the urad dal which was soaked for 1 hour. Setting the time for 10 minutes. This grinder has an automatic timer and a buzzer sound as well. The warranty of this wet grinder is 10 years and it's only 2 years on the digital timer. Press the start button to start grinding. I have started with adding a little bit of urad dal and gradually adding the rest. Scraping out the dals from the grinding stone with a plastic spatula which was come along with my Ultra mixer grinder. Placing the lid over the drum to avoid the dust. And to my surprise, the noise is very low. After 9 minutes, I could see a smooth batter which looks 3 times fluffier. The batter is perfectly grinded and there were no heat generated. When 1 minute is left out in the timer, a buzzer sound will be heard. It stops automatically when 10 minutes is over. Now remove the hatch. Rotate the knob anti-clockwise to release the lock and lift the arm upwards. The batter is ground enough and it is in perfect consistency. Now let's see how to remove the batter using this batter cleaner. Place the grinding stone on it and start rotating to remove the batter. This is one of the special features which is given in this Ultra grinder. After removing the batter from the stone, start removing the batter from the drum. Now we're going to add the rice which was soaked for 8 hours. I set the timer and powered on. I'm going to add the rice gradually. Put on the lid to avoid dust. After 10 minutes of time, the rice is grinded completely and also evenly. I have added a little bit of more water than the dal. Rotate the knob anti-clockwise and lift the arm upwards. Keep the batter cleaner and keep the stone to clean the batter out of the stone. Rotate the stones to remove the batter. This is multi-utility drum. You can store the batter in the refrigerator with the same drum. Transferring the rice batter into a container. And then I will be adding the dal batter. Adding in salt as per taste. And beating the batter with hands. Make sure both the batters are mixed completely. It is recommended to beat the batter with hand to get fluffy idlis. After finish mixing, keep the batter for fermentation at least a minimum of 8 hours. Once you finish using the appliances, it is always good to clean it. Wash the drum and stone as well once you finish grinding for long run of the appliance. Wipe it with a clean towel, don't keep it wet. That's it. In the next section, we will see how I prepared idli using the batter prepared with this wet grinder. I kept it overnight for fermentation. This is how the batter looked in the morning. Let me show you how the idlis are turned out. Steaming the idlis for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes of steaming, the idlis are looking like this. It looks so fluffy, so soft. Taking out from the idli mold. Let's see how soft the idlis are. The idlis are really soft and fluffy. Let's see how dosas turned out. For dosa, I made a thin batter by adding a little bit of water to the same idli batter. Even dosas turned out very well. It turned out so crispy. I recommend ultra wet grinders for best idlis and dosas. Optional additional attachments like coconut scraper and atta kneader are also available. Now let's see the price comparisons. In the Ultra site, the Perfect Plus wet grinder is costing around 8,490 rupees after 100 rupees discount. And in the Flipkart, it is 8,590 rupees. And the current rate in Amazon is 8,490 rupees. We purchased it when Amazon was having festival sale and we have got it for 7,950 rupees. Here is my order detail. So grab it when festival offers are going on. Ultra wet grinders are available from 1.25 liters to 2.5 liters. You can choose as per your need. So that's it about this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope the video is helpful. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll come up with another wonderful video. Until that, take care. Bye-bye. It's Jan signing off.